Hey there! Today, we're checking out a budget phone, the Motorola Moto G 5G 2024. Yep, that's the one we love to talk about on our channel, G for Gadgetmaster. We'll be joking around as usual, but we'll also look at all the cool stuff this phone has. But wait, there's more. We'll also talk about the price drop happening today. So, stick with us, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to catch our videos as soon as they're out. Alright, let's get started with the video. First off, we have a 6.5-inch display, not bad for watching videos or playing games. However, it's only rocking a 720p resolution. Seriously, Moto? It's 2024, we expect better. Under the hood, you'll find 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, which should handle your daily tasks just fine. But here's the kicker, it comes with a hybrid SIM slot. Come on, Moto, we need more flexibility. On the bright side, it's 5G ready, so you'll be ready for the future. And hey, they kept the headphone jack. Props for that, Moto. Now, let's talk cameras. We've got a 50-megapixel main shooter paired with a 2-megapixel macro lens. Sounds impressive, right? Well, don't get too excited. Video recording is still capped at 1080p. Come on, Moto, step up your game. Software-wise, it's running Android 13, which is great. But will Moto keep up with updates? We'll have to wait and see. Lastly, the battery, a hefty 5000 mAh unit with 18-watt fast charging. Not bad at all, Moto. The Motorola Moto G slated to hit the market in May 2024 for just $169.99. While it offers some decent specs, like a 6.5-inch display and 5G support, there are a few drawbacks, like the 720p resolution and limitations with video recording. It's a budget-friendly option with its ups and downs. For more gadget reviews and witty commentary, remember to subscribe to Gadgetmaster. Until next time, happy tech hunting!